Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube Channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos published in this channel useful, kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell button so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Please share the videos with others or in the internet. In the last 20 episodes of Know Your Body segment, we have looked at the physiological and anatomical dimensions of the human body by elaborating on the three building blocks of the human body, namely the cells, tissues, and membranes, and the 11 organ systems of the human body, namely the circulatory system, respiratory system, skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, integumentary system, nervous system, urinary and excretory system, lymphatic system, endocrine system, and the reproductive system. In today's episode, we would like to conclude our analysis of the human body organ systems by sharing some thoughts on the purposive nature of the building blocks and the organ systems of the human body and point out the careful planning that has gone into the making of the human body. The human cell is the ultimate building block of the human body, as tissues and membranes that make up the organ systems are made up of the cells. Each cell in our body has its own individuality, life, and purpose, and is related to other cells. It is mind-blogging to think of the intercellular network and relations within the body that guides the proper functioning of each organ system in general and each organ in particular. The arrangement of chromosomes within regular cells and the reproductive cells is an interesting phenomenon. While regular cells have 23 pairs of 46 chromosomes, the fully developed reproductive cells, namely the ovum and the sperm, have 23 chromosomes each, waiting to be complemented and completed by each other's counterpart. Of the 11 organ systems, 10 of them are concerned with maintaining the homeostasis, that is, the good health and normal functioning of the human body. The reproductive system has altogether a different goal, that is, the perpetuation of the human species. Hence, reproductive system, besides producing ovum and the sperm, the reproductive cells, helps the males and the females to mature sexually so as to play their roles in the ultimate purpose of perpetuating the human species. Besides, the pleasure associated with the sense organs and their functions such as sight, hearing, taste, smell, touch, and sexual function are experienced in the external and the peripheral level of the human body. The inner parts of these organs and the organ systems they are part of are not at all concerned with the pleasure, but they focus on achieving either the homeostasis of the human body or perpetuating the human species. Hence, though the dimension of pleasure is peripheral and external, it does play a key role in initiating the ultimate goals to be achieved by the organs and the organ systems. However, in today's world, the pleasure dimension is commercialized and idolized. Inner, deeper purposes of the human body systems are totally ignored, while that which is peripheral is presented as if it is the most important thing. We find advertisements for tasty food, melodious music, sweet smelling perfumes, soft and soothing clothing, and sexually related commercials. Similarly, pleasure dimension often guides human relationships. When pleasure dimension guides human relationships, the other is seen more as an object of pleasure rather than a person. Many relationships end in breakups and divorces because they are not founded on deeper purposes the divine architect has set for such relationships. Hence, a deeper reflection on the physiology and anatomy of the human body, the goals and purposes associated with each organ and the organ system, the external and peripheral nature of the pleasure dimension associated with senses, and their important role in initiating the higher goals of the organ systems, the arrangements of chromosomes within each cell, and the reproductive system's orientation towards the perpetuation of the human species all point to the amazing work of the divine architect in fashioning the human body. Dear friends, let us take time to stand and stare at the wonder of the body that we are blessed with. Not get lost in the pleasure dimension, but live our lives with a sense of gratitude and do what is within our power to assist our body to accomplish the purposes the divine architect has set in motion in creating us with our body. In the next episode of Know Your Body segment, we move on to consider human body as the seat of emotions and feelings. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.